So ibrutinib targets the Bruton tyrosine kinase, which is part of the B cell receptor complex. So the B cell receptor complex has a downstream pathway in which activates a molecule that we call the NF-kappa beta. The NF-kappa beta is like at the brain of this pathway, and that's what it keeps malignant B cells active and enhances proliferation, especially in this subtype of DLBCL called activated B cell diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, or ABC-DLBCL. Mutations through this pathway can predict resistance to ibrutinib. You know, ibrutinib is kind of almost specific for ABC subtype DLBCL, and the investigators were trying to find out whether there were specific mutations on alterations that can lead to resistance to ibrutinib. These mutations were related to other kind of molecules called, one is called MALT1, that there are MALT1 inhibitors in the studies, in early studies looking for efficacy on this specific type of ibrutinib resistant ABC DLBCL. I think it was a very nice presentation, understanding the role of mutations on the NF-kappa beta pathway / B cell receptor pathway, and that way we can target patients who are resistant to a good drug that is ibrutinib.